Well, some experts say many people may be facing increased mental health issues because of the pandemic.
This week, Shatanya Clark and photojournalist Brandon Cooper's Helping the Helper series is focusing on how you can help an organization dedicated to these individuals.
Helping the Helpers is brought to you by All American Car Wash and Beyond Faith Home Care.
Christ Counseling Ministry has seen a significant increase in services needed, hence an increase in fee assistance needs, and that's where your donations come in handy.
Community support is so vital in a nonprofit.
Mallory Castelli understands firsthand the effectiveness of the work done at Christ Counseling Ministry, having used the services herself as a teenager.
I came in not knowing really what I needed, and that was really freeing to just kind of talk to someone just about what was going on with my mental health struggle, anxiety.
Christ Counseling Ministry has a team of licensed professionals who have been offering Christ-centered counseling since 1991 to children and adults alike.
We can handle any area of counseling needed, addictions, depression, anxiety, PTSD, people struggling with family issues.
I believe everybody needs counseling, no matter what.
Bourgeois and Castelli say many people are in need of their services now more than ever, but not everyone needing these services have been able to afford them.
We have seen the results of the pandemic. There's been a lot of talk that there's just been a mental health epidemic that has followed the pandemic. People really struggling with depression, anxiety, and other mental health issues, and we've seen that since June of 2020.
We have to raise a lot of money each year to run this place.
About $400,000 to be exact.
About 40% of our budget comes from people paying the fees for the counseling, and about 60% of our budget we have to raise each year.
We don't want to turn anyone down with no, you can't afford it. We will find a way, and that was so freeing. That's so freeing to parents when their kids are struggling and they don't know really what to do, but we do have help.
And with the community's support, they won't have to. For ways you can donate, head on over to Texomashomepage.com.
What a great thing they do. Okay, Shatanya, thank you for that story.
Yeah, Christ Counseling Ministry, too, has a Lifeline dinner coming up with comedian Ken Kington, and those details can be found over at Texomashomepage.com.